y'all. So peep this. This is one of our arrays. Got a sub, well, 4 subs, 3 on the ground, 1 on the bottom there. You got a mid, and you got 4 tops. All right, 4 subs, 1 mid, and then 4 highs. All right, so those are your highs will be your mains, like those tops will be the main. So this is the PA. All right, and we are running Nexo. All right, so these speakers, they need an amplifier. You can't just plug these into the wall and they work. All right, so these amplifiers actually are going to that red PD. It's powering up these amplifiers. All right, so let's see. So down here on channel 1, which would be this first amp rack. So this first amp rack, second amp rack, and you got first amp rack, second amp rack, right? So we got channel 1 here, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 channels on each amp rack. All right, so as you can see, you got all of these different options we can go through. Now I have to set, before you do anything to get these amp racks to working, you got to set what kind of speakers you have. So I'm gonna go into my system configuration, go to custom configuration. All right, so I'm gonna select channel 1. All right, I'm gonna edit channel 1. All right, so right now it's showing me that channel 1 is registered for STM S118, which are subs, right? But that is not my channel 1 on here. My channel 1 here are my tops. So that would be my M28. All right, so the brand is still STM, but it's not a 118, right? So we're gonna go to a M28. Bridge, no. Okay. It's actually gonna be a main. Alright. So which can I cross over together? Go automatic, please wait. And then voila. See, my channel 1 has been added. These are my tops. So as you can see right here, down here, it has changed to M28. All right, so same thing with channel 2. All right, channel 2 is my mid. All right, my mid speaker is a B112. All right, it's a B112. It's all STM. So same thing, I gotta go back in. We're gonna hit channel 2 on here, which would be my mids. We're gonna edit. Let's see. We're gonna go all the way to STM, and then B112 would be my mid. All right, no bridge, crossover is fine, automatic. It should change. Yep, you just heard it click, so it's talking to itself. Channel 2 would be my B112. All right. And then let's see, for my over here, this would be my sub. See, right now it's an M28, so I gotta go in here on this second one, because I'm on my second amp right down here. So I gotta go to my second amp right here. I'm gonna go over to settings, options, system configuration, custom configuration. All right, and then I'm gonna edit this. It's still STM, but it's not an M28. My subs are called S118s. All right, so I want the S118, no bridge, we can go Omni, crossover is fine, and then we'll go automatic. Voila. So now you see S118s. All right, and then this here is another sub. So this is channel 3 on the second amp. All right, so we're gonna go to channel 3 on the second amp, and we gotta turn this into a sub as well. S118. Alright, so we got 2 sub lines, a top and a mid on both sides. So we got this over here, and we got that way over there. This is real audio engineering type of stuff. It's more than just plugging in mics and making stuff sound good. You gotta be able to work these systems. So hope y'all enjoyed that little tutorial, man. I'm at the underground. We get into it. Treat the sound ordinary.